And there you have it. That is Christmas bread pudding. Everybody can enjoy a Christmas dessert with a full flavour of Christmas. There you go. Happy Christmas. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're bringing Christmas back home with an easy Christmas type bread pudding. So easy, anybody can make this. We've got some old bread and we've got a jar of sweet mincemeat. Now this is mine, but you know there are many jars of sweet mincemeat out there in the supermarkets. This is a complete alternative to using this in mince pies. We are going to put it in a bread pudding. So easy, come on. Bread, we are just ripping up the bread. Any old how, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter how big. We just want the bread. So just tear it up. And it can be any bread. Don't worry about it. A baguette, soda bread, whole wheat. We want bread. In there. Crusts and all. Just get it in. Now this is the usual couple of days old bread that I pick up from the supermarkets. So that's our lovely ripped up bread in there. We need to make a custard. In here I have 3 eggs. Give it a little mix. In here I have some brown sugar. Now you can use white sugar, not a problem. In here a little bit of vanilla. In here a couple of cups of milk, and we're going to make it creamy. So in here about a cup of cream. We're going to give that a mix. This is mixed spice using baking and everything. Now if you want to make it, there's a link on the channel. Go ahead, have a watch. If not, you can use pumpkin spice, anything like that. And we want to go in with about half a teaspoon actually, somewhere around about there. Now it's not critical, obviously the more you put in, the spicier it's going to be. That's all there is to it. So give that a mix in. Make sure your oven's on. Stick your oven on 170, 175, 180, somewhere around about there. Go for 175. Right, this is my mix, okay? So we're just going to dump some in there. I'm putting the whole jar in. It's Christmas, so we're going to make it like Christmas. Here we go, we got all that in there. It's Christmas, we're going in there with a little drop of brandy. You don't have to use any alcohol whatsoever. There's enough fluid in here. We're just going to boost up the flavour. Oh, it smells like Christmas. That goes in there. That gets stirred in. And we're going to leave it for about 10 minutes for that bread to soak up our custard mix. It's as easy as that. What a simple Christmas pudding. Not a Christmas pudding, but a Christmas pudding. Well, not a Christmas pudding, a Christmas bread pudding. Oh, it smells incredible. Oh, yes. It's getting to smell a lot like Christmas. Oh, fabulous. Okay, we've had about 10 minutes ish, thereabouts. That looks good enough. It smells And I really, okay, I added the extra brandy, you know, but I can tell you now, the smell is off the charts. That is going to be a pudding, and when that's cooking in that oven, heck, there's going to be a smell in here. Okay, we need a tray. We need a suitable dish that we're going to put it in. This is about a 9 by 13. We want to put some, we got melted butter here actually. So in there, a little bit of melted butter. We want to butter out the bottom. Up there. And then in there with our pudding. Oh, I just can't get over the smell. It's incredible. Now you don't have to squash it down. We just want to feed it in there. That's all we need to do. We want the custard and that to actually cook around the bread. Okay, we got some melted butter on there. You can't have a bread pudding without melted butter. It's going to come all the way through and give it that richness. I can tell you now, when this is cooked, I would prefer to have this to Christmas pudding. My choice, obviously. Right, in the oven. Going in the oven 40-45 minutes, somewhere around about there, for it all to cook up. And there we go. Beautiful Christmas bread pudding. That is sensational. Look at that lovely crusty top. Right, we're going to let it cool about the usual 10 minutes and we're going to give it a serving up. Okay, you know, we're not waiting. We're not waiting any longer. We're in. Oh, crunch on the top. Oh, come on. Now, is it like that or is it like that and then like this? We're up in the middle. Oh, come on. Oh, look. Look. Just look at that. Oh, Christmas bread pudding. But you know, a little bit more custard for me. And there you have it. That is Christmas bread pudding. Everybody can enjoy a Christmas dessert with a full flavour of Christmas. There you go. Happy Christmas. Oh, there you go. An easy way to enjoy a Christmas dessert. It looks spectacular. It smells incredible. Come on. We're in. Oh, crusty top. Have to tell you about the crispy top. Soft inside. Boiling actually. Look in the look in there. Oh, we got to have a bit of that softness, that crusty top, a bit of custard. Oh, my mouth is really watering and I haven't even got it yet. Wow. Oh, wow. There is absolutely no reason why somebody cannot enjoy a Christmas dessert. That is incredible. Well, for bread puddings, for ending off the year, because we've made quite a few bread puddings, and obviously I've made quite a few in my time. That is exceptional. That rounds off the year fantastically with that Christmas bread pudding. It's incredible. That is truly that is truly a dessert to make. Wow. Sensational dessert. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share. Tell everybody how easy it is to make a Christmas dessert. You know, it's old bread, some eggs, whatever, and a jar of ready-made mincemeat. Simple, full of flavour, delicious. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and it's not Christmas yet, but happy Christmas. That is off the charts. Oh man.